Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am going to be installing a glass screen protector on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Didn't think I'd be saying that because I didn't think it was possible, but it is with the front display. So this is Whitestone Dome Glass. All of you guys know this is my go-to glass screen protector for any smartphone I review. I pretty much have it on every daily driver, always just such a great product. And I'm very curious because I know the normal installation process and I don't know how to do that on this device with no liquid damage. So I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I'll see if I can do it. Now, there is no screen protector for the inside. Yes, there are replacement plastic ones, but this we're gonna test out to see for a glass one on the front. So let's go ahead, open her up, and let's install this thing. All right guys, it is on there and I really have to say it's nothing like having a glass. It's just so much better than what I had before, like so much better. I really just appreciate just how this feels now. I don't like film. I never have. It's one of the reasons why it drives me crazy to have the inside of this look so gunky all the time. I know people have taken it off. I'm still debating if I will. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should. But I mean, man, this one is really good. As you can see all the way around. I actually shouldn't have worried. So just to kind of really show you, it really does stop pretty far away from where the hinge is if you're talking about a phone screen. Like it's a pretty good, like, you know, probably centimeter or so away from it. So that's where the screen protector stops. There was some gunk on here, so I'd get it off right on the edge of the screen. And yeah, it fit pretty nice all the way around. I am very happy with how it feels on here. So would I recommend it? Yeah, this feels really good. You can kind of tell right where it is too because of my screen protector. It's really awesome. And it feels so much better, just so much better. So yes, I would definitely recommend this. It's pretty safe. I will say they kind of added some padding to really absorb the water, it's not the water, the solution for it. So that definitely helped. And yeah, it's a great product all around. I've always liked it. I was nervous, but it is pretty far away. Like, if you really see it, it's pretty far away from the screen ends and the hinge begins. So I definitely, you know, I'm gonna wipe it down probably extra, make sure there's no finite stuff on here. But other than that, I am very pleased. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Did you have a plan to get a glass screen protector And should I take the film protector off in the middle? Let me know again in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.